has produced damaging wind gusts. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988. Posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
It is here.
Weather bulletin. Weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Harrison, and Monroe, and Marshall County, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Belmont County in east central Ohio, southern Harrison County in east central Ohio, northeastern Monroe County in east central Ohio, Marshall County in northern West Virginia until 7:30 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Barnesville and was moving east at 40 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Barnesville, Flushing, Somerton, Morristown, Bethesda, Markham State Park, Alledonia, St. Clairsville, Clarington, Powhatan Point, Bridgeport, Woodlands. This storm has produced damaging wind gusts. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.